Hello dear students and friends. Today we will see on the from the second chapter an overview of Java. We will see today declaring 1D and 2D arrays, that is 2.4 point and 2.5 point, accepting input using command line argument. Myself Dange Pratibha Nanase from Kekewa College Sanduri. Firstly we will see what is a one dimensional array and two dimensional array, how it is a declare. See, firstly one dimensional array means what? It is a collection of variables of same type which is used by a common name. See, we can see the example of one dimensional array. In one dimensional array declaration is given in the example. See, import java.io.star class cfg public static void main string args, and in main function there are declared three arrays a b c. See, integer opening and closing round brackets a semicolon, or integer b opening and closing round brackets, not round bracket, rectangular brackets semicolon, and third integer. In this declaration the rectangular brackets are taken before the variable and then semicolon. In this way, three ways you can declare a single dimensional array in Java. Now see how to declare and use array in Java, and how we can invalid declaration of array. In this example you can see integer a into bracket 5 means a array is of 5 size. That declaration is invalid in Java. But if you declare integer b and in the rectangular bracket, if you are not giving any particular size, then that is the valid declaration in Java. Now suppose we are taking one example. In this example, integer a and b array and b array, these two arrays are of type integer. Then c and d, these are, see, you can see first declaration integer a rectangular bracket and b rectangular bracket, these are the valid declaration. But in second way you can see integer c opening closing comma opening closing d, that is the invalid declaration of array. Again in third way integer opening closing rectangular e comma rectangular f, that is the invalid declaration of array. Now see, this is the example of an single dimensional array. In this example, in array a is a declare how to invalid initialization. See, integer opening closing a is equal to new int rectangular bracket, that is invalid. Here size of array is not given, but valid second is the valid, where integer rectangular bracket b equal to new int and into bracket 5 means here array b is a single dimensional array which having 5 size. Then again third one integer c equal to new integer 0, this is also valid declaration because the size 0 is given here. Then again fourth declaration is here integer opening closing bracket d is equal to new int into bracket -1, that is also a runtime error will be given in this example. Means by these four ways we can see how to create the size or how to create the initial array with the given size. Now how to print the single dimensional array. Here integer a is given here with size 3, and for loop integer I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus a of I is equal to 100. System.out.println means here in this loop a of I equal to 100, this is fixed size, means I size is, if I size is 0 1 2, in these three stages a of 0 a of 1 a of 2, that will be 100. So here output is given in the below. Now two dimensional array. See, two dimensional array means what? Suppose you want to create two dimensional array of int type data type, so you can create two dimensional array in many of the following ways. See, these are the different ways by using we can create two-dimensional arrays. Here there are 8 types of declarations are given here, and in that last 2 are invalid and first 6 are valid. See, integer a, opening closing rectangular, again opening closing rectangular. In this way you can declare two-dimensional array. Or integer before name of the array you can give these 2 brackets. Again third one is a integer before name of the array 2 brackets are given. Then again integer first rectangular bracket, name of the array, again second rectangular bracket. That is also valid for the two-dimensional array. Then next one is the integer both rectangular brackets and the name of the array, that is also valid. Again integer first rectangular bracket, name of the array, second rectangular bracket, that is also valid. Now which declarations are invalid? See, before data type if you are given 2 rectangular brackets and then in data type and name of the array, that is the invalid declaration of two-dimensional array. And if first rectangular bracket then data type, second rectangular bracket then name of the array, that is also invalid declaration of two-dimensional arrays. Now we will see the example of two-dimensional array, how to initialize and how to print two-dimensional array. See here, integer rectangular brackets a rectangular bracket is equal to, how to initialize it. See, firstly outer curly bracket is there and in between this array is a not a size is fixed but given as a 1 1 1, then 2 2 2, 3 3 3. Means what? These array a array is of 3 by 3 array, means 3 3 a 3 3, that array is there. Again b is equal to 20. Here